When it comes to safety and personal protection, pepper spray is often a preferred form of self-defense. The nation's leading manufacturer of pepper spray and pepper gel products joins us today in the studio with tips on how you can be prepared and protected.
Yes, he is back on the Morning Blend. We're thrilled to have him because it's a very interesting conversation. CEO of SABRE, supplying all of the major police departments in the U.S. This is David Nance, including Las Vegas Metro, you're a supplier of. How are you? Welcome back to the show.
Great. It's good to be in Las Vegas again.
Yes. What brings you back, by the way?
The SHOT Show, the Shooting, Hunting, Outdoor Trade Show. Big law enforcement presence there, so we have a booth there, and we're showing our new products.
Yeah, and you were at CES, right?
It's been a busy month out here for us in Las Vegas.
Right. Well, I know we want to kind of go over a bunch of the products, and we wanted to start with this side, which is products for the home, you were saying, right?
So major cities, including Las Vegas, are seeing an uptrend in burglaries and breaking and entries. Yeah. You guys are up 22% over 2021. So it's nice to have a plan before someone comes into your home. How can I protect? Where are my major access entries to my home? Front door, back door, windows on the first floor, and how can I secure them? So even if you have an already professionally installed home security system or a DIY security system, there are some basic things I'm going to show you here that you can fortify that with. Okay. In order to keep people out. For example, like these professional systems don't have a way to keep people out of your home. This is a door security bar. It's very popular. My wife puts this underneath the door every night when I'm away, and it just prevents people from coming in. So safety starts by keeping people out. But
so it leans against the door.
It goes up in the door handle, I think, correct?
Exactly. It wedges underneath. If you have a sliding glass door, it also, you can take the neck off of that, put it there, and they can't get through the sliding glass door. So it's a great place to start keeping people out. And also, we have these cameras that have motion sensing lights on them. Again, very affordable. If they sense motion outside your home, light turns on, that can scare off a potential threat, potential intruder.
I mean, this whole line, SABRE, you're available in Ace Hardware and Home Depot. You supply all the major police departments in the United States. So we know you are legit. What makes you the best in the industry?
Of the home security products, I think it's the fact that the vast majority of Americans are not installing a professionally installed home security system. These are very affordable, incredibly reliable. They're at all the major retailers, and they allow you to fortify your home for just some, for less than $50. Well, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I was going to say, I know a lot of people that live in gated communities. They say it's a false sense of security, and you've got to do some things to your home too to protect yourself. And these little things could just really help maybe bring you some comfort.
Well, not only that, but I mean, a lot of people stay in these short-term homestays, Airbnb, and they say right there on their website that these background checks have their limitations. They're not doing background checks on the people that care for the home, that do the maintenance on the home. So someone else has the key. Multiple people you don't know have the key to your bedroom while you're sleeping there. This is a door stop alarm. It's very easy to travel with. You slide it underneath your bedroom door. The door hits this. It sounds a very loud 120 decibel alarm. You can hear that up to 1,500 feet. That's going to scare someone off, but it blocks them from coming in your bedroom.
And you can just bring that along with you.
Exactly. Or this is a door handle alarm. You put this on your door handle. Someone touches it from the outside. It sounds this loud alarm as well and scares them off also. Very easy to travel with.
David, I love it. So you're taking us through the different product lines. We have just about a minute left, and let's get to what you're really known for as well.
Okay.
Pepper spray, pepper gel.
What is pepper gel?
Pepper gel is great to use inside the home because it doesn't atomize like traditional pepper spray. It sticks to the target. There's no wind blowback. It's not going to get on you, and it's very easy to clean up. Got it. So a lot of the police in major metropolitan areas are switching to it, so it only affects their target. So here's the deal. When people come during the day, they're coming for your stuff. When people come at night, they're coming for you. So when you hear that sound in the middle of the night, it's good to have a way to protect yourself, right? So this is pepper gel. My favorite is the flashlight pepper spray. You hear a noise, you got to go investigate, and you can take the light, right? And if you see something you don't like, you have protection right here. I'm looking around, boom, I have a problem, I have protection. We make these with glow-in-the-dark safeties. We make a larger can with a wall mount bracket. You can put it right next to your bedside in our strategic locations, an inexpensive, non-lethal way to protect yourself and your family if you need to.
Awesome products. Thank you so much. Last time you had a little a pepper spray that had a little strap for like when you're running or walking.
Oh, great.
As well.
Yeah.
It was Amazing. A great product. Where can people find it?
Thank you. Yeah, Ace Hardware, Vegas Valley Ace on Rainbow Road always has a nice selection of SABRE products,
Yep.
and Home Depot with their Defiant products.
I think we learned a lot today. Listen, thank you so much. It's
know.
great, and I love a family-owned business, right?
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Visit sabrered.com. The website, the phone number are right there on your screen. You can also learn more about the SABRE line of products, while I knock them over, on their socials. Dana, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Yeah, all of it. Listen, thanks much, Dave.
Thank you.